Availing the best total hardware product development solution for your prototypes/product mockup, mold making, hardware product development is easier now with Saatchi Mold Co. Ltd., a IRL group company. Nowadays, it has always been challenging to find the best manufacturing provider for product prototypes, product mockup, mold making, product development, and in a bid to put an end to all such worries, Saatchi Molds offers the top-class R&D, prototype mock-up, plastic injection mold, metal die-cast mold, double injection mold, CNC machining, surface finish treatment, assembly to finished products, product development, and supply chain management. Their products involve in a wide variety of industries: home appliances, IT products, automotive products, medical products, OA equipments, and so on. With ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, TS 16949, ISO 13485, and some other certificates, founded in 1999, 3 mold making and injection, rubber products, factories covering 35,000 square meters, about 1,200 staff, more than 460 sets of mold making and injection machines like milling, EDM, CNC, plastic injection, die casting equipment, based in Shenzhen, Guangdong, China. As one group member of IRL Tech Industrial Group, Saatchi Molds is one of the leading design and mold and products manufacturing specialists of customized hardwares. For over 20 years, we have been guiding our clients from the concept and initial ID, MD, and mold design stage with our custom engineered 3D drawings, brilliantly manufactured in our modern 35,000 square meters factories, mold making and injection unit, metal products unit, rubber products unit to deliver around the globe. We are authorized ODM partner of Motorola, Google, GE, Sony, BMW, Volkswagen, and so on. We hope you are on our customer list. With the belief innovation renews your life, 100% reliable with prompt and professional customer service, we have earned stellar reputation worldwide for exquisite designs, high-quality manufacturing at affordable prices, with our own total turnkey hardware solution delivery and great after-sales service. Please contact us via email info@saatchimolds.com or visit us at www.saatchimolds.com.